Hi! I'm done with the embroidery piece that I was making pretty specifically for this video because I wanted to show people how, how this is made and how easy it is and how cheap. So yeah, it will all be explained right after this little intro. I just wanted to say hi, say thank you for watching this, and yeah, if you decide to make one yourself, please tag me in your visual results. I'd love to see what you make, and yeah, I hope this inspires you. I had a lot of fun making this video. I really love editing, I really love shooting film, if you can call it that, but technically I guess it is a film. I really hope you enjoyed this. So let me know, give me feedback. I'd love to hear what you think. So bye. See you soon. See you on Instagram or on Twitter, maybe? I don't know. Do people still use Twitter? I don't know. Maybe see you on here too. I really enjoyed this. So I might make more videos. Goodbye. Alright, let's get into making this embroidery. For that, you need any kind of t-shirt, some thread, sewing needles, and 2 of these hoops. Put those on the shirt like I'm doing it here. They are here to keep the fabric straight so you can draw on it and later do the stitches a bit more easy. Adjust them a little bit and there you go. Next, you start drawing whatever it is that you want to embroider onto the shirt. It really could be anything. It can be words, it can be, I don't know, a cactus, whatever you like, a heart, I don't know. I'm doing one of my illustrations. You then get the needle and thread. I usually take the thread double as it speeds up the process a little bit. You don't have to do that though. Now you just start stitching along the lines, like go along the lines vertically. I think it creates that kind of drawing effect, like a bit of a 3D drawing effect. I'm actually not sure whether this is like a legit embroidery technique. I'm not an expert. This is just how I do it. I guess you could also do longer stitches along the lines, but then you would need a thread that's thicker, like probably some embroidery yarn. I think that would be better. I really like the process of making these. It's a very mindful thing to do. Sometimes I just sit there, I listen to music and just listen to my own thoughts, or you could also, listen to podcasts. I really hope you liked this video. It was my first one, so leave me a comment on how you liked it, and see you soon.